How to use NeuronWriter for SEO content optimization. NeuronWriter is like a smart assistant for anyone who creates content for the web. It's an AI-powered tool, which means it uses artificial intelligence to help you write better and rank higher on search engines like Google. Think of it as a savvy guide that knows what the internet likes and helps you create just that. At its core, NeuronWriter is designed to make your writing process easier and more effective. It does this by offering suggestions and improvements based on what's currently popular and effective in SEO search engine optimization. SEO is all about making your content more visible and attractive to search engines. So when people search for something related to your content, they find you first. Key features of NeuronWriter. NeuronWriter isn't just another writing tool, it's packed with features that make it stand out. Here's a look at some of its key features. 1. AI content generation. One of the coolest things about NeuronWriter is how it uses AI to help you write. If you're stuck for ideas or not sure how to start, NeuronWriter suggests topics and even writes snippets for you. It's like having a brainstorming buddy who's always full of ideas. 2. SEO and NLP integration. SEO can be complex, but NeuronWriter simplifies it. It uses something called NLP, natural language processing, to understand what your content is about and how it can be improved for search engines. It's like teaching your content to speak the language of Google, making it easier for people to find. 3. Content analysis tools. NeuronWriter doesn't just help you write, it helps you write better. It analyzes your content and gives it a score based on how SEO-friendly it is. It also looks at what's ranking on search engine results pages SERPs and gives you insights on how to align your content with top-performing articles. 4. WordPress integration. If you're using WordPress for your website, NeuronWriter fits right in. It easily integrates with WordPress, letting you optimize your content directly within your website. It's like having a helpful assistant right in your blog's dashboard. 5. Keyword research and analysis. NeuronWriter analyzes keywords related to your content topic. It's like fishing in a big pond. You need to know what kind of fish or keywords you're looking for and where they are likely to be. 6. Competitor analysis. The tool examines what content is already ranking high for those keywords on search engines. This is akin to understanding what recipes are popular in a restaurant, so you can create a dish that competes with them. 7. User intent analysis. It tries to understand what a user is likely looking for when they type a query into a search engine. This is like a chef understanding whether their customer wants a quick snack or a full meal. 8. Content SEO score. After creating content, NeuronWriter scores it based on how well it's optimized for SEO. Think of this as a food critic rating a dish. Getting started with NeuronWriter. Starting with NeuronWriter is a breeze, even if you're new to AI writing tools or SEO. Here's how you can get up and running. 1. Setting up an account. First things first, you need to create an account. Visit the NeuronWriter website and sign up. There are various pricing plans available, including a free trial. 2. Navigation basics. NeuronWriter has a user-friendly interface that's easy to navigate. Once you log in, you'll find a dashboard where you can start new projects, access existing ones, and explore different features. 3. First steps in content creation. To begin, create a new project. You'll be prompted to enter a topic or keyword. This is where your content journey starts. NeuronWriter then provides a list of suggestions and ideas based on your input. The tool offers guidelines on how to structure your article, what keywords to include, and even suggests headings and questions to answer in your content. How to use NeuronWriter for content optimization. Optimizing content with NeuronWriter is straightforward and effective. Here's how you can use its features to enhance your content. 1. Keyword research and optimization. Keywords are crucial in SEO, and NeuronWriter excels in helping you find and use them effectively. Start by entering a topic or main keyword into the tool. NeuronWriter then suggests a list of related keywords, including long-tail variations, which are specific and less competitive. 2. Enhancing existing content, if you have content already published. NeuronWriter can help improve it. Use the tool to analyze your existing articles or blog posts. It provides feedback on how well your content is optimized for SEO and offers suggestions for improvement, such as where to add keywords, how to tweak your headings, and ways to make your content more engaging. 3. On-page SEO tips. NeuronWriter doesn't just focus on keywords, it covers all aspects of on-page SEO. It guides you in optimizing your meta descriptions, which are the brief descriptions that appear under your web page's title in search results. It also helps in structuring your content with the right headers and questions, making it more readable and search engine friendly. Conclusion: NeuronWriter stands as a testament to the power of AI in revolutionizing content creation and SEO. With its intuitive interface, advanced AI writing capabilities, and comprehensive SEO tools, NeuronWriter is more than just a writing aid, it's a strategic partner in content creation. For those looking to improve their content's performance on search engines, NeuronWriter offers a unique blend of SEO expertise and AI efficiency. Its ability to analyze current trends, understand user intent, and provide actionable suggestions makes it an invaluable asset for anyone serious about content marketing. Moreover, the versatility of NeuronWriter, catering to bloggers, affiliate marketers, freelancers, and content professionals, underscores its utility across various content creation realms. Its user-friendly nature makes it accessible to beginners, yet its advanced features provide enough depth for seasoned marketers and writers. For more detailed information, please see the description below the video.